When I looked at My Life, My Power, MLMP, I saw how they were integrating in with high-risk kids, high-risk schools. This program works for adults too. Here's our goal. Take these tools and implement them. The school resource officers, contacts on the street, because I think it's going to make us more effective.
Our MLMP trainings will not only transform you as a person, but also your departments and communities. We provide you with innovative tools that shift your way of thinking and unique ways to impact today's youth.
I tell you, this program is so amazing. The group just bonded almost immediately based on the information that was given, and people were really just seeing their visions and I mean, it's just change, it's impactful. I can only imagine what it's going to do for the community and for the kids that we impact based on the information that we receive. I pray that this will go nationwide and just really take off.
Totally life-changing experience. I wish that I've had this training perhaps 10 years ago.